In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post to a Facebook business page. Start by opening facebook.com while you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are posting as the page and not from your personal profile. Make sure you are on the correct page before moving forward. Once you are on your business page, look for the field that says "What is on your mind?" Click into that area to begin creating a new post. This will open the Create Post window, where you can enter the message you want to share with your audience. Type the text for your post clearly in the message box. This can be an update, an announcement, promotional content, or any other message you want to publish on your page. Keep your wording ready before you move on to the next options. Below the text area, you will see the section called Add to your post. This is where you can include extra content to make your post more engaging. You can add a photo, upload a video, tag people or businesses, start a live video, add a location, or include a feeling or activity. Choose the options that match the type of post you want to create. If you want to see more features, click the three-dot button. This will show additional post options that may not be visible right away. Review these choices and add anything else that is useful for your post. After your content is ready, click Next. This will take you to the post settings. In this area, you can review how your post will be published, choose the audience if that option is available, and adjust any publishing settings that apply to your page. If needed, you can also schedule the post instead of publishing it immediately. This is useful if you want the post to go live at a specific time. You may also see the option to boost the post. Turn that on only if you want to promote the post with paid reach. Take a moment to review everything one last time. Make sure your text, media, and settings are all correct. When you are ready, click Post to publish the content on your Facebook business page. Your post will then appear on the page for your audience to see. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.